Newest design upgrade. Standard USB interface and the latest color matching design, you can plug in wherever you want. Internal components are upgraded for stable quality and anti-falls the nature. Professional nail drill set. With 6 different drills, multifunctional for easily grinding, carving, cutting, polishing, removing gel polish and cuticles for both acrylic nails and natural nails. Portable. This nail drill machine made of high-quality metal, tiny and lightweight design, easy to handle and carry it anywhere. Low heat and noise. High-quality aluminum alloy body and high-efficiency heat dissipation keep it a low heat. And you don't need to worry about the noise or vibration, which can be negligible. Adjustable use. One button for speed control of the drill, 0–20,000 RPM, and another for rotation control so as to present a faultless condition of your fingernails. This also ensures safety and simpleness of your operation. Please don't make a constantly long time, no more than 30 minutes, using in order to avoid overheating. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. The prices of getting my nails done were starting to get out of hands, so I decided to give this machine a try and do my nails on my own. The experience is great. The machine is great for the price. It came with a lot of little drill heads that you can change depending on what you are trying, with some extra sander. The only thing is, I wish it was cordless. But this is a great tool for beginners.